Hey guys, I recently added a much needed item to my list of equipment for video making, and I just wanted to do an unboxing video, show you guys what it is and how it works. I got the iSteady Pro 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal, and this specific one is for an action camera, aka GoPros. Based on what I heard, it works magic as far as stabilizing your videos and making sure that you don't have any unneeded vibrations coming through and making sure that your shots look very smooth. So I'm gonna give it a shot. The box, as you can see, has a film over it, so we're gonna open up the film. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the film as gently as I can. So there's the box for you. So the whole thing is contained, I guess, in this little package. And so everything related to the item is right in here. This is the main, I guess, axis or whatever you want to call it. When you turn it on, this thing pops up and you can put your camera in there. You can see the buttons up here, how you turn it on and how you control it with this button. Let's see what else is in the box. You have this little thing. That's how that works. And it comes with a charger. And it comes with a guidebook as well. So let's take a look at the steps and see what we gotta do. Alright, so I'm outside now and I'm going to be using two different tools to film so you guys can get an idea of what the differences are and how much of a effect the gimbal will have on the stability of the image. The first, I'm going to use just this suction cup mount, and I'm going to hold it by hand and move it along so that you guys can see what the image looks like, and then we'll go ahead and use the gimbal stabilizer. So right now I'm holding the suction cup mount and I'm walking normally. I'm holding the camera and I'm gonna try to get a shot of this truck. So as you can see, it's really easy for the vibrations of me just walking to be captured in the shot. So now let's go and try it with the gimbal. You can see that just by me walking that the picture is a lot smoother with the stabilizer. It may still not be 100% stable or smooth, but for what it is, I would say it's pretty good. Especially in turns and transitions, the movement is very smooth and it looks very good. Overall, the design of the product may not be amazing. It's not really the easiest thing to work with. It has its kinks. But again, for the price point and the kind of capability that it offers, I would say it's a pretty good product.